Hi friends, welcome to your ultimate guide to the best things to do in Roatan, the stunning Caribbean island paradise off the coast of Honduras. Whether you're here for the world-class snorkeling, pristine white sand beaches, or lush tropical jungles, this Bay Island offers an incredible blend of adventure and relaxation. From swimming with dolphins to zipping through jungle canopies, we've got you covered with 10 unforgettable experiences. The island's warm, crystal-clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and laid-back atmosphere make every moment feel like a dream vacation. Let's dive in and discover why Roatan should be at the top of your Caribbean travel bucket list. 1. Explore the Mesoamerican barrier. Reef. First up, you absolutely must explore the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world that surrounds Roatan. This incredible underwater paradise is accessible right from the shore, offering some of the best snorkeling and diving in the Caribbean. You'll discover vibrant coral gardens teeming with tropical fish, sea turtles, eagle rays, and so much more. Numerous dive shops and tour operators can take you to the best spots, whether you're a beginner or experienced diver. The reef's incredible biodiversity and clear warm waters make it an unforgettable aquatic adventure for everyone. 2. Visit the Roatan Institute for Marine Sciences. Next, don't miss the incredible opportunity to interact with dolphins at the Roatan Institute for Marine Sciences, located at Anthony's Key Resort. This educational facility offers amazing dolphin encounters where you can swim with these intelligent creatures in their natural lagoon habitat. You can choose from observational programs or more interactive experiences where you actually get in the water with them. The Institute focuses on education and conservation, making it an ethical way to appreciate these magnificent animals. It's a truly magical experience that will create memories to last a lifetime, especially for families. 3. Zipline through the jungle. Canopy. Get your adrenaline pumping by ziplining through Roatan's lush tropical jungle canopy for breathtaking views of the island. Several companies offer zipline tours that send you soaring above the treetops, giving you a bird's-eye perspective of the beautiful landscape below. You'll fly between platforms high in the trees, taking in panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and surrounding islands. The courses are suitable for most ages and fitness levels, with professional guides ensuring your safety throughout the adventure. It's an exhilarating way to experience Roatan's natural beauty from a completely different angle. 4. Relax at West Bay Beach. Spend a perfect beach day at West Bay Beach, consistently ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. This stretch of pristine white sand lined with palm trees meets crystal-clear turquoise waters that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The reef is conveniently located just offshore, making it easy to access amazing underwater life right from the beach. You'll find beach bars and restaurants serving fresh seafood and tropical drinks, plus vendors offering water sports equipment. Whether you want to be active or simply relax under a palm tree, West Bay offers the ideal Caribbean beach experience. Hit the like button if you like the video. 5. Discover Gumbalimba Park. Embark on a fun adventure at Gumbalimba Park, an expansive nature park that offers something for everyone. You can walk across hanging bridges through lush vegetation, encounter friendly white-faced capuchin monkeys and colorful parrots, and learn about the island's ecosystem. The park also features a pirate cave, a swimming pool, and beautiful botanical gardens with native plants. Their zip-line course adds an extra thrill to the experience. It's a great place to spend half a day immersed in Roatan's natural beauty while enjoying interactive animal encounters and educational exhibits. 6. Experience local culture in Punta Gorda. Take a cultural journey to Punta Gorda, the oldest Garifuna settlement on Roatan, and a place rich with history and tradition. This charming fishing village on the northern shore offers a glimpse into the unique Afro-Caribbean culture of the Garifuna people. You can watch traditional dancing, hear rhythmic drumming, and sample authentic Garifuna cuisine like hudut, fish stew with mashed plantains. The colorful buildings and friendly locals create a welcoming atmosphere that feels worlds away from the tourist areas. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn about an important aspect of Roatan's cultural heritage. 7. Go deep-sea fishing head out into the deep blue Caribbean waters for an exciting deep-sea fishing adventure that Roatan is famous for. The waters around the island are rich with marlin, sailfish, tuna, wahoo, and dorado, mahi-mahi, making it one of the best fishing destinations in the Caribbean. Numerous charter companies offer half-day or full-day trips with experienced captains who know the best fishing spots. Whether you're an experienced angler or trying deep-sea fishing for the first time, the thrill of hooking a big game fish in these beautiful waters is an experience you won't forget. 8. Visit the Roatan Butterfly Garden. Find a peaceful escape at the Roatan Butterfly Garden, a magical place where hundreds of colorful butterflies flutter freely in an enclosed jungle garden. This educational attraction lets you observe butterflies at all stages of their life cycle, from eggs to caterpillars to chrysalises to beautiful winged adults. The knowledgeable guides provide interesting information about these fascinating creatures and their importance to the ecosystem. The garden also features hummingbirds, exotic plants, and a relaxing atmosphere that makes it a perfect break from beach activities. It's particularly wonderful for families with children. 9. Take a glass-bottom boat tour. See the amazing underwater world without getting wet on a glass-bottom boat tour. Perfect for non-swimmers or those who want a different perspective. These tours take you over the most colorful sections of the reef, where you can observe tropical fish, coral formations, and maybe even sea turtles or rays through the clear glass panels. Many tours include stops at good snorkeling spots for those who do want to jump in, and some even offer night tours to see the nocturnal marine life. It's a comfortable and fascinating way to appreciate Roatan's incredible marine biodiversity. 10. Enjoy sunset at West End Village. End your perfect day in Roatan by watching the spectacular Caribbean sunset from West End Village, the island's most vibrant area. This bustling street along the water comes alive in the evening with restaurants, bars, and shops creating a festive atmosphere. You can enjoy dinner at a waterfront restaurant, sip tropical cocktails at a beach bar, or simply find a spot on the pier to watch the sun dip below the horizon. The mix of locals and tourists, reggae music, and beautiful setting creates the perfect end to a day in paradise. Don't forget your camera for those incredible sunset photos. And there you have it. 10 incredible ways to experience the natural beauty and adventure of Roatan. Whether you're exploring the amazing coral reef, relaxing on pristine beaches, or zipping through jungle canopies, this Caribbean island offers the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. The warm waters, friendly locals, and stunning natural surroundings create memories that will last a lifetime. Which Roatan experience are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments.